Friends, welcome to another video. Today we will be analyzing the stocks which can give good potential risk to reward for tomorrow. Plus, we will be doing some Nifty analysis. So, starting with the analysis of Nifty, this is the daily chart of Nifty spot chart. As you can see in the previous video, maybe it was 2-3 days back. Apologies for not posting the videos regularly. I was not available. So, okay, this was the structure which I had made maybe 3-4 days back when I posted the last video. So we were looking at these regions from where Nifty is, forming a congestion zone, a zone where Nifty is just consolidating. So this was the area where I drew some, support level, after which we had a multiple clicks on this support line, multiple rejections plus multiple resistance levels. So this was the area I was thinking maybe it should hold for a time being before breaking it to the downside. So as you can see, this was the day, I think on 29th September I had made a video. So after that, it went slightly below this area, which is quite fine. I was expecting it may even go something like this, but because nobody can draw a certain thing in market structure, so it contacted this price range and it started respecting it as a support, and from that moment it started going to the upside. So as you can see, it has already retraced almost half. Let me check it. Yes, it has almost gone halfway of this swing. So if this is to continue, we may see a couple of days of upswing if it is going to retest the 61.8. Otherwise, today's candle, if it is giving a follow up to the downside from tomorrow, maybe we can see the downtrend is starting again. So if we go to the 30-minute chart or 15-minute chart, as you can see, it started with a gap up, but it was not able to hold in the upper end of the this region, and after that it started to go down and it break this particular structure. So as you can see, the price action is not suggesting too much of bullishness, and if we just try to analyze the price projection from here, it has gone somewhere around 1.161, that is this crossed 127 extension. So if we consider this swing and project it to the upside, the momentum to upside seems good, but still, since there is a break of structure already happening, so we can say that this particular swing to the upside is already completed, and as a result we have already started seeing some correction. So these are the levels. I mean, if we are going for a 50% retracement, then there is a good chance of maybe close to 150 points of downside. So this can be a region where possible correction can come, and we may see some slowing momentum here. If this happens, then maybe we can see some more upside before ultimately going to the downside. So this is the region I have been locking this price action between two price bands, which is serving as a support, and upper end might be suggesting as a resistance one. So this is the logic which I'll be looking for days to come. As trade point of view, there was no trade for me. I was not able to judge exactly what exactly the price is doing. So yeah, it's better to step away if something is not clear. The price action was just consolidating in this range, neither going this side, neither going upside. So there was no point taking the trade without any proper premise. So we'll be waiting for the price action. If it starts giving some momentum to the downside, then we will be just looking for some price pullbacks and getting the entry to the short side. So this will be the logic for tomorrow's nifty trading. Let's look at the stocks. First one is McDowell's. It has just consolidated for this swing. So as per the logic, we'll be waiting for the buy zone around 856 with a SL of 845 just below the swing and a target of 882, 1 to 1 of the swing. Another one is Voltas. Voltas has already corrected too much lower, to the lower end of this particular swing. It is just below 61.8. So we'll be looking to buy if the momentum is getting slower for the sellers. If the sellers are getting low momentum swings here, then we'll be opening a buy position around 919.5 with a stop loss around 914.85 and a target of 127 extension of this swing, which will be 941.65. Another one is Trent. Trent has been gradually moving upside. So if we consider this swing to the upside, which is the latest one, we'll be buying the position around 1438.4, this area, with a stop loss of 1428 and a target of 1462.5. Another one is Polyplex. Polyplex is giving a good setup, in fact, for a swing basis as well. If we see, these are the two swings, and if we go down to 3-minute chart, this is the major swing which we are considering, and this is the smaller swing on which we have already got a new structure high. You see, which went down, that's some retracement, and this was the last swing. It has already broken this to the upside, so we are expecting some retracement around 2637 here with a stop loss of this smaller swing 2630.25, and target wise we can expect a target of 2654 with respect to this swing. This will be our first target. If you project it to the upside, somewhere around 26.54, 2654, and target 2, if the momentum is getting good, then we can do a larger target of this particular swing, which will be coming somewhere around 27, 23 or 24. So this is the premise for Polyplex. If it goes like that, then we will be having a very good risk to reward setup. In fact, that will be a very, very good setup if we are able to achieve that. 27, 23. Yes, it will be giving more than 11 R&R. So it will be a good trade. Let's see how it materializes. So these are the stocks, friends, for current video, which may think be giving a good setup for tomorrow's trading session. So if you like the content, please do share with your friends and family so that this can be spread in a larger extent. And if you have any questions or queries, please do post in the comment section and I'll be replying back. Till then, thank you very much.